Hi there, my name is Mariana and I've been living in Playa del Carmen, Mexico for 4.5 years. I moved here with my, at the time, 3 years old daughter, and we decided to buy a place in Playa del Carmen. Today I want to talk to you about my opinion about investing in Playa del Carmen and if it's worth buying a place here. So, about 4 years ago, we decided that we want to live here permanently, and I bought a place after the highway, which means it's not in the downtown area. It's about 15 minutes away from the beach and from the downtown area, central area. The reason I decided to buy there is because I've been here before my daughter was born, about 8-9 years ago, and Riviera Maya, where I bought my place, was just developing. And now when we came back 4 years later, I realized that that area was growing really fast. And also I wanted to live more in a residential area because obviously I have a child, so I don't want to be in a party area with noise all the time and, where we cannot sleep at night. So because, Playa del Carmen, it's a little bit of a party place, especially in the downtown area. So I bought a place in Riviera Maya Plus, which is a gated area, and it has a pool, a little gym. It has a park where the kids every evening, they, when the sun goes down, they go outside and they play together. It's a very family vibe. I'm very good friends with my neighbors. All the kids, they know each other. We we have Easter parties there at the pool, and kids parties. So it's a very nice area. When I bought a place, I bought it with 950,000 pesos. Sorry, I don't know how much is that in US, and that was 4 years ago. And now my place, it's worth at 1,450,000 pesos. So the price grew pretty fast and pretty good. And do I think that it's a good investment? Yes, I think it's a good investment. However, I do have friends who they bought places in the downtown area, and I saw that they have a trouble selling their place, first of all, and also they don't gain a lot from it. They don't gain a lot of profit because they don't have a lot of money left, or sometimes they sell it at the same price that they bought it. And I'm not sure the reason why in downtown area it's harder to sell, but in my opinion, I think it's because downtown it's more expensive, so not everybody can buy a place in downtown because it's very expensive. However, in the area after the highway, which is more of the residential area, everybody can afford to buy a place, right? Even if they get the credit, like Credito Bancario from Infovid, I think it's called. But people tend to buy more in that area, especially Mexicans. So I think it's worth it to buy a place in Mexico, but you have to know where to buy it and do your research well. There are a lot of nice areas after the highway. You don't need to stay in the downtown area. There is the Gidal, there is Riviera Maya, Selva Nova, Los Olivos. There are a lot of areas that are nice, and you still get the same amenities like you'll get in the center. And Playa del Carmen is small, so you're not gonna it's not gonna take you longer than 15 minutes to go to the beach or to go in the downtown area by car. And they also have some malls. They have Plaza Las America. They have another mall in Gidal. Sorry, I forgot the name now. So, or Ejido. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, but there are a lot of nice areas to buy a place, and where your money actually is gonna grow. So I hope I I hope I explained everything proper. If you have any questions, please send me a message below. And if you like our channel, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.